Hello, my dear students. Hope you all are doing well. I'm your science teacher Diksha, and I welcome you all to our lesson number 5, Conservation of Plants and Animals. So, we are going to discuss the practice questions, the remaining ones. Okay, so we have done till question 4 in the previous video session. Now, we are going to begin with our part 2. So, we are going to continue our discussion. Let's begin, students. We are going to begin with question number 5. Answer in brief. Why should we conserve biodiversity? तो biodiversity को conserve, biodiversity means what students? अब यहाँ पे आपको ये समझना है. Biodiversity means what? Plants, that is flora, animals, that is fauna, and microorganisms. Okay. Now all these are connected to a food chain. ये सभी क्या होते हैं स्टूडेंट्स? बायोडाइवर्सिटी एक फूड चेन में कनेक्टेड होती है. फूड चेन में कनेक्टेड का मतलब क्या हुआ स्टूडेंट्स? दैट अ फूड चेन स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम प्लांट्स. नाउ द herbivores eat plants, the herbivores are eaten by the carnivores, and then the higher carnivores eat the smaller carnivores, and finally when all of them die, and then comes the role of microorganisms. So what they do, they eat up the remains, the dead remains of these plants and animals. And these microorganisms, they give away all the nutrients back to the soil. तो ये पूरी food chain disturb हो जाएगी अगर हमने biodiversity को conserve नहीं किया. So it's maintaining the food chain, okay? The disturbance in the food chain may affect the whole ecosystem. Okay, so ये बहुत important चीज है students. अगर microorganism, the tiniest one which we are not able to see from our naked eyes, अगर उनको भी क्या हुआ, कुछ harm हुआ, then also you students, this food cycle or food chain will be disturbed. Got it? So each and every organism present on this earth is very important. Each and everything is playing their part. Correct? Let's move on now. Protected forests are also not completely safe for wild animals. Why? क्योंकि students ये protected areas हैं students, कभी कभी यहाँ पे poaching या killing of animals होती है, and we can't really stop that. Okay, rules are there, the government has laid all the rules for the protection of wild animals, but still their conservation or protection is a little difficult task. और कभी कभी यहाँ पे killing और poaching होती है animals की. So since capturing and killing of animals by poachers is still difficult to control in protected forests and areas, so that's why they are still not very safe for the wild animals. Some tribals depend on the jungle. How? Now students, there are so many tribal populations which are living in jungle or near the jungle. So क्यों jungle पे dependent है students? Because see, these tribal people, they are very far away from the urban areas. तो इनकी जितना भी students, whatever they need for the livelihood, for living, for example food, okay, shelter, then we have medicines, okay, all these things they acquire, they obtain from the jungle or the forest. Okay, तो इसीलिए स्टूडेंट्स ट्राइबल्स कैसे डिपेंडेंट होते हैं फॉर द फुलफिलमेंट ऑफ देयर बेसिक नीड्स. कौन सी? फूड. तो बहुत सारा फूड वो जंगल से ही लाते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, राइट? तो फ्रूट्स आर देयर, वेजिटेबल्स आर देयर आर सम लीव्स व्हिच आर एडिबल, देयर आर मेनी सीड्स व्हिच आर एडिबल, सो दे एक्वायर ऑल दीज फ्रॉम द फॉरेस्ट. मेडिसिन, देयर आर सो मेनी प्लांट्स विथ मेडिसिनल प्रॉपर्टीज, तो वो भी वहां से क्या करते हैं? एक्वायर करते हैं. क्लोथिंग, शेल्टर, all these they can get from the jungle or the forest. What are the causes and consequences of deforestation? Now this one is important students, we can mark it important, and this is something which we have already discussed in our lesson. Okay, causes क्या है students? Deforestation के क्या cause करता है? The natural causes like forest fires, droughts, एक्सेट्रा. तो अगर स्टूडेंट्स इस तरह के नेचुरल कॉज होते हैं, जैसे कि फॉरेस्ट फायर, अगर जंगल में आग लगती है, फॉरेस्ट फायर होती है, तो क्या होगा? डिफॉरेस्टेशन हो जाता है, ऑल द फॉरेस्ट इट डाइज. एंड ड्रॉट, तो ड्रॉट होता है स्टूडेंट्स, तो ऑटोमेटिकली द trees they lose their life. Okay, again they die, and it leads to what? The deforestation. Okay, now next is students building factories and houses. तो deforestation जो होता है वो क्यों होता है? What is the cause? Because we are cutting down the trees for building the factories, for building houses, because the urban life, the population is increasing day by day. तो उनके रहने के लिए they are clearing up the forest so that we can build homes for them, factories for the production of materials for them. Then procuring land for cultivation. So for cultivation or the agricultural purposes also, the forests are being cut down, the trees are being cut down. And finally, we need wood for making furniture and using it as a fuel. So we cut down the trees and we use the wood for it. So these are the causes why we are doing deforestation. Now, what are the consequences? If you are doing deforestation, what will happen? So what will happen? Natural calamities, we discussed this. Floods, droughts will come. Increase in temperature, that is global warming, is definitely going to occur. Change in the physical properties of the soil, soil fertility decreases, and a decrease in the groundwater level is also seen. क्योंकि ग्लोबल वार्मिंग होगी तो आपका जो पानी है वो इवेपोरेट क्विकली होगा, ग्राउंड वाटर लेवल डिक्रीज होगा, रेनफॉल नहीं आएगी, अगेन ग्राउंड वाटर लेवल डिक्रीज होगा. एक्सटिंक्शन ऑफ मेनी फ्लोरा एंड फौना, तो हमारी जितनी भी प्लांट और एनिमल स्पीशीज है वो काफी एक्सटिंक्ट हो जाएगी बिकॉज देर इज नो होम फॉर देम. वो कहाँ रहेंगे इफ यू आर कटिंग डाउन द ट्रीज. गॉट इट? Let's move on now. What is Red Data Book? Now, this is something you should know. It's a record book, okay? It's a book which keeps the records of all the endangered plants and animals. Now, what do you understand by migration? This is also important. Migration term आपको समझ में आना चाहिए कि migration क्या होता है? Movement of animals or birds from one place to another, okay? From its own habitat. ओके जहां का वो नेटिव है बर्ड या एनिमल, वहां से अपने हैबिटेट से अदर प्लेस, दे आर गोइंग टू अदर प्लेस ड्यूरिंग अ सर्टेन पीरियड in the year. Okay, so they are not moving there forever, they are moving there for a certain period of time in a year. And what is that period of time, students? This is for breeding and to overcome some climatic conditions. So if their habitat, their own home is having harsh weather conditions like very cold weather or very hot weather, what will happen? They start moving. Okay, they move from their own habitat and they start going to some warmer places. So if there is a bird which is living in a very, if they in a particular period in a year, okay, there will be a period in a year like in winters, maybe in the month of November, December, January, their own habitat is having a very cold weather, negative temperatures. That's why they fly to very far distances and they come here in India, for example, where the temperature is relatively warmer, and sometimes they also migrate for breeding. Now let's see our next question. In order to meet the ever increasing demand in factories and for shelter, trees are being continually cut. Is it justified to cut trees for such projects? Discuss and prepare a brief report. Now this is a report, students. Report हमेशा एक lengthy होती है, okay? So it's a lengthy answer. आपको क्या करना है students? Cut हो रहा है तो ट्रीज कट डाउन हो रहे हैं तो आपको यहाँ पे जस्टिफाई करना है क्या हमें इन सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स के लिए ट्रीज को कट करना चाहिए या नहीं. दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव टू राइट. सो इट्स नॉट जस्टिफाइड. सबसे पहले तो आपको क्या लिखना है, जस्टिफाई है कि नहीं, पहले तो आपको इसका आंसर देना है दैट इट इज नॉट जस्टिफाइड टू कट द ट्रीज फॉर फुलफिलिंग आवर नीड्स. नाउ व्हाई इज इट सो? Trees are the lungs of the earth. They are providing us oxygen and they are also maintaining the ऑक्सीजन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बैलेंस. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्टूडेंट्स. सबसे अच्छा काम ट्रीज का क्या है कि वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस को फोटोसिंथेसिस के लिए एब्जॉर्ब करती है और ऑक्सीजन गैस रिलीज करती है. सो इट इज मेंटेनिंग द ऑक्सीजन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बैलेंस ऑन अर्थ. इफ देयर आर नो ट्रीज स्टूडेंट्स, द amount of carbon dioxide keeps on increasing because we are using a lot of fuel, we are burning a lot of fuel in factories, or when we are driving our vehicle, all the fuel is converted into carbon dioxide gas. So that is increasing and we need trees to absorb that extra carbon dioxide. Now, obviously students, these trees, they bind the soil and prevent soil erosion. This is another point. Next students, natural disasters like flood and droughts can be reduced if we are not cutting the trees. We have to conserve our rich biodiversity too, because if you visit a forest, a lot of biodiversity, you can see so many species of plants, animals, microorganisms around you. तो उनको भी हमें क्या करना है, कंजर्व करना है. इसीलिए the trees cutting is not advisable, it is not justified. Now increase in carbon dioxide level, which we have already discussed, soil erosion, floods, all these greenhouse effects, all these are the causes, okay, if we are cutting down the trees, correct? And that's why trees must be saved. This is what your report should be, okay? All the points coming in one answer. Let's see the next. How can you contribute to the maintenance of green wealth of your locality? So they are talking about you. Your locality, आपकी जो local locality है, उसमें आप कैसे ensure कर सकते हैं मेंटेनेंस ऑफ ग्रीन वेल्थ, मतलब प्लांट्स का आपको बेसिकली बताना है कि आपके आसपास प्लांट्स और ग्रीनरी रहे, इसके लिए आप क्या कर सकते हैं. मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ एक्शंस टू बी टेकन बाय यू. ओके, सो आप अपने अकॉर्डिंग बहुत अच्छे पॉइंट्स लिख सकते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, आपकी लोकेलिटी के अकॉर्डिंग, बट सम ऑफ द जनरल पॉइंट्स वी हैव रिटन हियर. बाय टेकिंग अप द फॉलोइंग एक्शंस, मेंटेनेंस ऑफ ग्रीन वेल्थ ऑफ माय लोकल लोकेलिटी कैन बी ensured. Okay, what are the points? प्लांटिंग सैपलिंग्स एंड ट्रीज. तो आप ग्रीन वेल्थ बोल रहे हैं, मतलब आपको प्लांट करना चाहिए, प्लांट मोर एंड मोर ट्रीज. नॉट थ्रोइंग गार्बेज ऑन द स्ट्रीट्स. फॉरबिडिंग अदर्स टू कट ट्रीज, मतलब आप दूसरों को भी रोक रहे हैं टू कट द ट्रीज. मेकिंग पीपल अवेयर ऑफ द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ क्लीन एंड ग्रीन एनवायरमेंट. तो आप जितना अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स, बिकॉज यू आर द वंस हु आर स्टडिंग, ओके, यू आर एजुकेटेड, सो यू कैन एजुकेट अदर्स ऑल्सो for this very purpose. Watering the plants regularly and taking proper care of them, very important. Reusing and recycling paper to save trees, energy and water. Now this one is also very important. ये हम कर सकते हैं. We can reuse the paper, recycle the paper to save the trees. Got it? Let's move on now. एक्सप्लेन हाउ डिफॉरेस्टेशन लीड्स टू रिड्यूस्ड रेनफॉल. तो हम कैसे कह सकते हैं कि डिफॉरेस्टेशन की वजह से रेनफॉल कम हो रही है? तो क्या करना है स्टूडेंट्स आपको? ट्रीज गिव आउट ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वाटर वेपर ड्यूरिंग ट्रांसपिरेशन. ये हमें पता है स्टूडेंट्स, ट्रांसपिरेशन एक ऐसा प्रोसेस है जिससे लीव्स ऑफ द प्लांट दे गिव ऑफ water in the form of vapor, and those vapor, you know, they move up higher in the atmosphere and they contribute in the cloud formation. Okay, the reduction of water vapor affects the cloud formation. Remember students, ठीक है, ये बेसिक साइंस है कि जो भी वाटर वेपर लीव्स के थ्रू जाता है हायर एटमॉस्फेयर में, वो क्लाउड फॉर्मेशन में हेल्प करता है. सो इफ देयर आर नो ट्रीज, तो ये वाटर वेपर ऊपर जाएगा ही नहीं, क्लाउड फॉर्मेशन नहीं होगा, विच विल लीड टू द डिक्रीज इन द रेनफॉल. इट ऑल्सो द राइज इन टेम्परेचर, जो ग्लोबल वार्मिंग है उसकी वजह से भी क्या हो रहा है स्टूडेंट्स, दिस विल ऑल्सो इफेक्ट द वाटर साइकिल एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट विल ऑल्सो रिड्यूस द रेनफॉल. गॉट इट? लेट्स मूव ऑन नाउ. Find out about the national parks in your state. Identify and show them on their location on the outline map of India. So our state is what students? Rajasthan. So we have marked two national parks, Kyolediyo National Park and Ranthambore National Park. Okay. इसके अलावा और भी national parks है students. So it's your assignment. What will you do? Try to find out more national parks which are there in our state and you can mark them here. Okay, so you should know where our state is. Okay, so please remember this is our Rajasthan and you can mark it like this. Got it? Let's move on. Why should paper be saved? Prepare a list of ways by which you can save paper. तो ये बहुत ही important question है again students, कि पेपर आप किस तरह से सेव कर सकते हैं. देयर आर सो मेनी वेज. आप अपना बहुत अच्छा यहाँ पे ब्रेन यूज करके और भी बहुत सारे इंटरेस्टिंग आंसर्स दे सकते हैं. ओके, तो सम ऑफ देम आर collection and recycling of used paper, that is something which we have understood in the lesson. Using both sides of paper for writing, very important students. Sometimes what happens कि हम क्या करते हैं, हम ये चीज भूल जाते हैं कि हम दोनों साइड्स पे लिख सकते हैं. ओके, टू सेव द पेपर, सो वी यूज अ सिंगल पीस ऑफ पेपर. तो यहाँ पे बहुत वेस्टेज होता है. स्प्रेडिंग अवेयरनेस अबाउट द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ पेपर अमंग स्कूल चिल्ड्रन एंड यूथ. तो यहाँ पे आपको अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करनी है. ये हम जानते हैं, यू आर एजुकेटेड, यू कैन एजुकेट सो मेनी पीपल अराउंड यू. इंटेलिजेंट एंड प्रॉपर यूज ऑफ paper. Let's see our last question, very interesting one. This is a word puzzle and I really like such questions and you might be liking them as well. So let's solve them. Okay, so down, species on the verge of extinction, मतलब extinct होने ही वाली, हुई नहीं है. So the first one, One down is what? We know that on the verge of extinction उन species को क्या बोलते हैं हम? Endangered. So I can use some other color here. Let's use this one. Endangered. Got it? Okay. Let's see the next. A book carrying information about endangered species. Red data book, right? So we have here 2 down. Red data book. Got it? Consequences of deforestation. So now this one is 5 down. So I can't understand right now. Okay, so let's leave it for now. Let's see 4th across and then we will be able to understand. Okay. So 1 across is species which have vanished. Vanished means what? Now there are no number of that species left on earth. So extinct. Okay. Extinct. Right? Species found only in a particular habitat. So what do we call them? Endemic. Endemic. And finally, variety of plants and animals and microorganisms found. So variety, plants, animals, microorganisms, that together they are known as biodiversity. Right? Got it? All right. Now we have left one more here thing. Consequences of deforestation. So here DS. So we know that desertification is one of the consequence of deforestation. So desert. Just a minute. Deserts. Right, students? So please note down all the answers. Hopefully now you get it. And this one was an interesting one, isn't it? All right, so here we come to the end of discussion of these practice questions. Hopefully, students, now you understand everything, all these things, all the terms, concepts, done and, explained in this lesson. Now you know all of them. You are ready with, giving a small test, maybe an examination, isn't it? So please revise everything once again, read this again. And this chapter is again, students, this is something which you have to inculcate. All these values you have to inculcate in yourself. What you need to do, you can save paper, you can save wildlife also, students, by making aware of, educating and spreading awareness about it, right? So students, this whole chapter is dedicated to inculcating values which will be, which will save your future generation. Okay, तो ये जो चैप्टर स्टूडेंट्स ये समझने के लिए कि हमें हमारी फ्यूचर जनरेशन के लिए क्या सेव करना है. ऑल राइट स्टूडेंट्स, so thank you so much for watching. Please take care.